5 Best Technology Trends in 2024. Hi everyone, let's go to the video. Number 1 is augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality VR. Virtual reality VR. Enhanced VR technologies are offering more immersive and realistic experiences. With improvements in display resolutions, motion tracking, and interactive elements, VR is becoming increasingly prevalent in gaming, training, and therapeutic contexts. New VR systems are also becoming more user-friendly, with lighter headsets and longer battery life, which could lead to broad augmented reality, AR. AR technology is transforming the retail industry by allowing consumers to visualize products in a real-world context through their devices. This trend is evident in applications that let users try on clothes virtually or see how furniture would look in their homes before purchasing. These interactive experiences enhance customer satisfaction, increase sales, and reduce return rates that are consumer adoption and integration into daily life. The AR and VR technologies will give an interactive experience by rendering digital information either on top of the physical world, augmented reality, or inside totally virtual environments. These technologies are now well applied in gaming, education, training, and a long list of several other applications. The impact of AR and VR technologies go on to make user experiences effective in genres like gaming, educational training, healthcare, and real estate. For example, AR can assist the surgeon by providing real-time data during procedures, whereas VR can serve virtual tours for consumers in real estate. Market size and growth is the AR and VR market is estimated to grow to $209.2 billion by 2025, propelled by advancements in hardware and software. This great leap forward will be accelerated by the wider usage in the enterprise application space, in areas ranging from consumer entertainment to other verticals and horizontals. Rates of adoption is high rate of adoption in gaming and entertainment, with growing interest in enterprise uses in training, remote support, and virtual meetings. Key developments. The first is OneMR. This combines a bit of both AR and VR to come up with emerging interactive experiences in professional training, as well as in simulation. The second one is 5G integration. It brings more speed and reduced latency, thus improving the performance of AR or VR applications. Augmented reality versus virtual reality. Augmented reality enhances a real-world scene in which no headset device is needed. In contrast, virtual reality creates an immersive virtual environment and requires a headset device. Number 2 is 5G expansion. The 5th generation of mobile networks, 5G, promises significantly faster data download and upload speeds, wider coverage, and more stable connections. The expansion of 5G is facilitating transformative technologies like IoT, augmented reality, and autonomous vehicles by providing the high-speed, low-latency connections they require. This technology is crucial for enabling real-time communications and processing large amounts of data with minimal delay, thereby supporting a new wave of technological innovation. 5G refers to the 5th generation of mobile network technology, along with speed, low latency, and high capacity. It enables seamless connectivity with devices and applications. It will drive the future of IoT, AR or VR, smart cities, and other nascent innovations that, by and large, need the underwater infrastructure capability for the conduction of business, such as autonomous vehicles and remote surgeries. Enhanced mobile broadband will support high-definition video streaming, gaming, and virtual meetings. Market size and growth is the world 5G market is estimated to reach $667.90 billion by 2026, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 122.3% throughout the forecast period 2021 to 2026. The growth is majorly fueled by the demand for better internet speeds, with a continuous rise in the number of connected devices. Rates of adoption is not only that in fact the US together with China and South Korea are leading in initiating that implementation, and therefore many other countries are speeding up their tariff action strategies. Massive economics alongside innovation is going to result from the adoption of 5G globally. Long-term key developments. The first one is network slicing. Network slicing is the process whereby operators can create multiple virtual networks out of one single physical 5G network in order to optimize performance for various applications. The second one is YMBB. Enhanced Mobile Broadband. YMBB provides a data rate increased to extreme values and increased connection, a very important feature for services with real-time streaming and mobile applications. Overall, 5G is a significant improvement over 4G LTE. It offers faster speeds, lower latency, more capacity, and new applications. It is also more expensive and has a shorter range. It is still too early to say how quickly 5G will be adopted, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. Number 3 is Internet of Things IoT. IoT technology in smart cities involves the integration of various sensors and devices that collect data to manage assets, resources, and services efficiently. This includes monitoring traffic and public transport to reduce congestion, using smart grids to optimize energy use, and implementing connected systems for public safety and emergency services. As cities continue to grow, IoT helps manage complexities and improve the living conditions of residents. IoT stands for Internet of Things. A network of things. The Internet of Things is a variety of physical devices installed with the relevant technologies that enable them to collect and communicate data over a network. Such devices can be sensors, appliances, and machineries that collect and share data. The impact as Internet of Things is turning every industry sector into a smart sector, whether in smart homes, cities, or industrial processes. It enables real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and increased efficiency. For example, smart homes optimize energy usage, and IoT monitors equipment health while predicting failures before they occur. The market size and growth with the massive adoption in end-use industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and transportation, the IoT market will be pegged at $1.6 trillion by the year 2025. One of the most critical essential factors includes proliferation in the Internet of Things and advancements in data analytics. Adoption rates. IoT is adoption of particularly high in the sectors that derive a lot of help from automation and data-driven decision-making. The discussed sectors showing good adoption rates include smart city initiatives and industrial automation. Key developments is the first one, security in IoT. This will continue to be the biggest issue to consider as more devices are connected, making sure that IoT networks are protected from cyber threats. Development of advanced encryption and security protocols are currently being carried out for data protection. The second one is edge computing. It minimizes latency and bandwidth usage to facilitate faster, more efficient IoT applications by processing data closer to the source. The benefits of IoT technology vary per the implementation ecosystem and the extent of the advanced IoT devices used. A few benefits uses of IoT solutions across industries there are real-time asset resource visibility, reduced costs, improved operational efficiency, data-driven, insights for quick decision-making, end-to-end, remote monitoring and management of assets or resources, real-time, predictive and prescriptive insights, and improve end customer experience. Number 4 is artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. AI and ML refer to technologies that enable machines to learn from data and also take decisions autonomously. These large technologies through this way have been applied in different areas, from voice assistants to autonomous vehicles, predictive analytics, and detection methods against fraud. The impact of AI and ML are rapidly changing industries through automation in the areas of task, decision-making, and insights from data analysis. For example, to take a general case, individualized medicine and better diagnostics are now available because health applications powered by AI can consume large swaths of patient data to make predictions based on identified patterns. Market size and growth. The AI markets are estimated to ascend to total market values of $190.61 billion by 2025, boosted by growing adoption across industry verticals, notably healthcare, finance, and retail. Helping that momentum are the increased uptake in deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Rates of adoption in more developed countries where businesses are adopting AI. With emerging markets catching up, the investment in digital infrastructure and technologies grows at a higher rate. Integrating AI into corporate business process cores is increasingly prevalent as companies seek means of boosting both efficiency and customer experience. Key developments. The first one is generative AI. ChatGPT, DALL-E, and other tools like them are making real the forms of content that have never been conceived before and transforming the frontiers on which business approaches to marketing and customer engagement stand. The second one is explainable AI, creating AI that exposes the decision chain to foster trust and compliance. One of the biggest benefits of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, is increased efficiency and their ability to automate repetitive tasks and processes. This can help organizations to save time, reduce costs, and increase productivity. Number 5 is quantum computing. Quantum computers leverage the properties of quantum mechanics to process information exponentially faster than classical computers for specific tasks. This year, we're seeing quantum computing being applied in areas such as cryptography, where it can potentially crack currently considered secure codes, and in drug discovery, speeding up the process by accurately simulating molecular structures. The technology is still nascent but poised to revolutionize industries by solving complex problems intractable for traditional computers. Quantum computing is based on the principles of quantum mechanics for the design and execution of computers. The promising technology will have potential in solving the hardest to deal with problems. Impact of quantum computing has become an advancing tool to promise solving very hard problems. It also opens ways of breaking cryptographic codes, understanding nature better concerning materials, and solving diverse optimization problems. For instance, with the advent of quantum computers, the molecular structure can be greatly developed towards faster discoveries in software, drugs, and materials. Market size and growth. The market size and growth of quantum computing are forecast to reach approximately $64.98 billion by 2030, as it has been one area in technology giants and governments putting in massive investments. Development taking place for quantum algorithms and quantum hardware is fueling this growth. Adoption rates. Early adoption is seen in research institutions and large corporations that invest heavily in quantum research. Practical applications will appear when technology matures. Key developments. The first one is quantum supremacy. Google and other corporate firms have realized the ultimate future of proving the principle on which quantum devices might be able to perform tasks that classical computers probably never could. The second one is quantum cryptography. Develop secure communication between quantum mechanics in such a way that, by its principles, it combats the cyber threats. Which one do you like? Let me know in comment. Thank you very much for watching.